Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to speed up Snapchat videos. So let's start it. So if you want to speed up your Snapchat videos, so to do that what you have to do is open up your Snapchat application. After opening up your Snapchat application, now what you can do is just simply tap on the photo icon or the gallery icon which is on the bottom left corner of your screen. And after tapping on that, now you have to select a video that you would like to speed up. For example, I would like to speed up this video. So now to speed up this video, what you can do is just tap on this down arrow which is on the right side of your screen, and after tapping on that, now what you have to do is just scroll towards the right until you find this speed up icon. So here you will find this kind of icon which is speed up. So use this icon and this will speed up your Snapchat videos. So that's it guys, this is how to speed up Snapchat videos. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.